A theme in WordPress is what determines the look and feel of your website. There are two ways to install a theme in WordPress, and we are gonna cover both of them in this video. The first method is to install a theme from within the WordPress dashboard. WordPress hosts its own repository where you can find numerous free themes available for download. Let's navigate to WordPress and heads to Appearance, then click on Themes. This takes you to a page displaying all the themes currently installed on your WordPress website. To add a new theme, click on the Add New button. Here you will find a collection of themes available in WordPress repository. You can scroll through it to find the theme you like, or you can also search to find a specific theme. For this demonstration, I'll search for the Extra theme, a highly popular choice. Clicking on the theme will display a preview of how it will appear on your website. Next, click on Install button to install your theme. Next, to activate the theme on your website, simply click on the Activate button. As you can see, the theme has now been activated. Let's head to the front end of our website to see how it affects the design. Here's how our old theme looked. Now let me refresh the page. And this is how our new theme has transformed the design. The second method involves uploading a zip file of your theme to install it on your website. This method is necessary when installing a theme from outside the WordPress repository, such as when purchasing premium themes for marketplaces like ThemeForest or downloading a free theme not available in the WordPress repository. For demonstration purpose, I've opened a website where we can find free WordPress themes to download. I'll choose this one, and a zip file is downloaded to my computer. Let's return to WordPress to install it. Again, click on Add New Theme button, and this time, instead of choosing a theme from here, you need to click on this button saying Upload Theme. Then click on Choose File button and select your theme's zip file. Once you have selected the theme file, click on the Install Now button. After the installation, click on Activate. Let's head to the front end of our website to see how it looks. Here's how our website looked before. Now let's refresh the page to see how our new theme looks. This is how the new theme has transformed the design of our website. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of installing themes on WordPress. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave your comments below. I'll be more than happy to address your queries. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next web salon.